Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace and a container to hold screws in small parts. 1. Begin by unplugging your Dyson V11 and removing the bin. This is crucial for safety and allows you to access the motor more easily. 2. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Using the T10 Torx screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Make sure to keep them organized in your container to avoid losing any. 3. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off with a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may have been missed. 4. With the back panel removed, you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor wires by gently pulling them apart. It's important to remember the color coding of the wires for reassembly. 5. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew them. Once the screws are out, lift the motor out carefully. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional clips holding it in place. 6. Before installing the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the compartment thoroughly. Use a dry cloth to wipe away dust and debris. This will enhance the performance of your new motor. 7. Take your new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted, as any looseness can impair functionality. 8. Reconnect the motor wires, ensuring they match the original color coding. This is essential for the motor to function correctly. 9. Once everything is in place, reattach the back panel. Make sure all clips are secured and then insert the screws using your T10 Torx screwdriver. 10. Finally, reinsert the bin and plug the vacuum back in. Test the unit to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. If you don't have the tools for this repair or prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy for you, with no calls and no travel required. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair begins, ensuring transparency in pricing. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V11. Regular maintenance of your vacuum will prolong its life and ensure it operates at peak performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.